A.
Good morning. This is an announcement for all passengers traveling on the 9:25 flight TOM 1223 to Rome. This flight is delayed by 2 hours because of bad weather.
B.
Would all passengers traveling to Tokyo on flight FR3421 please have your boarding passes and passports ready for boarding? Flight FR3421 now boarding at gate 21.
C.
This is the final boarding call for passengers Gemma and Ryan Gray flying to Athens on flight EZ9753. Your flight is ready to leave. Please go to gate 14 immediately. The doors of the plane will close in 5 minutes. Final boarding call for passengers Gemma and Ryan Gray.
D.
This is an announcement for passengers traveling to Amsterdam on flight KL1050. Will all passengers with express boarding tickets and passengers traveling with young children please go to gate 6 for boarding? That's all passengers with express boarding tickets and passengers traveling with young children go to gate 6 for boarding. Thank you.
E.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. We have landed at JFK Airport in New York, where the local time is 18:30 and the temperature is 76 degrees. We hope you have enjoyed your flight with American Airlines this evening and wish you a very safe journey to your final destination.